Okay, students, I have in number 12 an intercept problem because it says intercept, but I have coordinates. And what I've taught you is in a multiple choice test, when you have coordinates, coordinates equal substitution. Even if it says intercept, still, substitution is just a cleaner way to discover which answer is correct. So let's just stick with substitution. The other reason that I don't want to discover the intercept so much is you can't use my shortcut here. And the reason that you can't use my shortcut is because this is not in standard form. In standard form, x and y are on the same side of an equation. Not here. Here you have y on the left side of the equation, you have x on the right side of your equation. That's not standard form. That's point-slope form. And if you use point-slope form, you can't use my shortcut. You have to substitute 0 and solve. So if that's the case, substitution seems like an easier technique to me. So let's go ahead and substitute. So with A, my coordinate says 4, 0, so I'm going to replace y with 0, and I'm going to replace x with 4. So go ahead and make my fraction 2 over 3, and x is equal to 4 plus 8. Now in here, again, when I'm multiplying fractions, it's always the numerator of my fraction that's multiplied the whole number. In this case, it's going to be 8 over 3. You know, that's really not going to work because I'm looking for whole numbers here. You know, and in this case, I don't think this is going to cancel and equal 0 anyway. So let's go ahead and let's find something different to substitute. Now, if I look at B, B is equal to 0, negative 12. Well, y is equal to negative 12, and x is equal to 0. Now, if that happens, then I'll be left with negative 12 on the left side. 2/3 times 0 is, well, it's just 0. Nothing more to think about with that. That's not going to work either. I mean, look, I have negative 12 on the left side. I got 8 on the right side. They're not equal to each other at all. So let's try something else. Okay, letter C is 0, negative 4. So y is equal to negative 4, and x is equal to 0. I don't think it's going to work either because you got negative 4 on the left side, and on the right side, 2/3 times 0 is 0. Yeah, now you got negative 4 is equal to 8. I don't think that's going to work. So let's try answer D. Answer D might give me the best situation. So in D, y is equal to 0, and x is equal to negative 12. Maybe this will work. So in this case, I have 0 on the left side. On the right side, I have 2 times negative 12, and 2 times negative 12 is negative 24. You know, and I could do this in my head, but I just feel like writing it out for this problem. And divide by 3 plus 8. And 0 equals, and negative 24 divided by 3 is negative 8, and negative 8 plus 8 is going to be 0. So let's say D is my answer. Hope this helps.